Are you ready to inhale confidence and exhale doubt to step into your day risking curiosity and spontaneous delight? Today I will be sharing with you 7 secrets to showing up with confidence. Hey everyone, I'm Ava and welcome to my channel. Whether you're new or a current subscriber, I am so glad you decided to join me. Are you proud of who you are? Is self-confidence the most expensive outfit you own? Are you prepared to walk the high road towards confidence? Secret number 1. It all begins with your body language. If you are not confident, act like you are. Remember when you were told to sit up straight in school? With standing tall will boost your courage, and if you are a dancer, you will walk around as if you were being pulled up through your spine. Secret number 2, it takes practice. Learning how to walk with big strides, maintain eye contact, stay composed, and speak clearly all takes time. With practice, you will suddenly develop natural good posture and great conversational skills. Secret number 3 is about first impressions. Intentionally speak with optimism and happiness because your mood is transferred from non-verbal body language to verbal. In the tone of your voice when you speak, are you calm and poised or flustered and stressed? Secret number 4 is filled with kind-heartedness. How you come across should display your strength and boldness in a humble and kind, thoughtful and caring way. No one is impressed with arrogance, rudeness or a bully. Secret number 5, it's a daily choice and action. Use confidence every day. When you talk to anyone you meet, smile, add a dash of your personality with compliments and appreciation in a positive way throughout your interactions. Soon you will become second nature if you learn how to manage fear in any moment. Secret number 6, it's something you create and cultivate continually. Push yourself out the boat like a muscle. You need to exercise confidence when you assist others by being warm-hearted and helpful, more than selling or self-promoting yourself and your work. Then others will note that your approach is different. Secret number 7, it's never giving up. List everything negative in your life, then minimize or diminish those things. Only you can stop others from putting you down. Keep doing positive and dynamic things that allow you to make choices and believe that you can be confident in any situation. How do you look at the world? Filled with doubt or head up high and straight in the eye? Are you preparing for any situation? Thanks for watching and supporting my channel, and remember, you have the power to make broken look beautiful and strong look invincible. To show up with confidence. See you next week.